Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace the glass in your Moto X4. So you can see right here, it's cracked. So we'll be replacing this part. Here's the new back glass, as you can see right here. I bought it off eBay. I'll provide a link below. So you'll need to heat it up, the back glass. So start from the side where it's less cracks and heat it up that side. That's what I usually do because it's much easier. So use your knife, stick between, and try to lift it up a little bit and go all the way around. It's gonna come off pretty easy. Top has the most adhesive. So you can use knife all the way around, but it might scratch your frame. Or you can use some plastic stuff so it doesn't scratch it as much as knife will do. So just hit it up as you go. If you need some more to hit it up, feel free to do it. It's gonna crack. Use glasses if you need to. It's not coming off easy, so I'm gonna use some more. Okay, that should do it. Okay, now it's coming off really easily. Where it melted pretty much. Now the top doesn't come off easy. It's really hot, so be careful. Take your time, so. Okay. It's really hot in some spots. Okay, here it is. It came off finally. Now you can install a new one. Clean this stuff all the way around really well. All adhesive, remove the old stuff as much as you can. And then you can use some adhesive, like I'm gonna use the adhesive stuff. But some of the back covers, they do have the special double-side tape they use. You have to clean all the way this stuff around if you want to be sitting perfect. If you want your new glass to be sitting perfectly. So clean this stuff as much as you can around. And then get a new piece of glass. And this one already has, as you can see, double-side tape on it. Adhesive pretty much. There's a couple bubbles, pretty big ones. You gotta pop them before you install because it's gonna be popping up. And here you go. Just install it back in, press all the way around. Make sure it's sitting good. Go all the way around.